Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the JDK and Java home are set so the editor compiles code correctly. Once done, install the Java extension pack in VS Code to get language support, debugger, and project tools. Then create a new folder, open it in VS Code, and use the command palette to generate a Java project. This creates the necessary structure and launch configs. Make sure the proper JDK appears in the status bar, so your workspace uses the intended Java runtime. Next, you write and organize code inside src/main/java or the default src folder so tools auto-detect classes. Then configure tasks. JSON to run your build command, Maven, Gradle, or Javac so builds are repeatable. Once configured, set up launch. JSON for running and debugging, include class path, program arguments, and JVM options. Use the integrated terminal to run MVN or Gradle commands, and watch problems and output panels for compiler diagnostics. To finish, run the debugger. Set breakpoints, step into methods, and inspect variables so you understand runtime behavior. Once you confirm behavior, add formatting and linting extensions to keep code consistent, and consider live share for pair programming. Then build a final JAR with your preferred tool and verify it runs from the integrated terminal. If something breaks, make sure Java Home matches the selected JDK, check class path settings, and update the Java extensions before changing project code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.